Rotate the left dial to adjust grind size.
Turn it anti-clockwise for smaller numbers and finer grounds. Turn it clockwise for larger numbers and coarser grounds.
Open the bean hopper lid. Pour in your toffee beans. And slide the lever to the right to open the hopper. Depending on your needs, you can also adjust the grind speed from the lower left of the screen. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the grinding menu. Select the double cup icon to set the grind by weight function. Seine X will grind and automatically stop once it reaches the target weight. Tap the center weight value to return to grinding target, then switch to time to set the grind by time option. Pull the left lever back and the machine will grind until the set seconds are reached. Push the lever forward for manual grinding. You can stop anytime you like. Pull it back again for automatic grinding. Now let's follow the video and complete a round of automatic grinding together.